Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this alien. This is from Stumble Guys. This is a very cute alien from Stumble Guys. I will model this character now in Maya. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this is our alien model in Maya. So this is our alien model in Maya. This was our reference which I was using. This is our reference and this is our model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.